Tell straight away it takes up space.
It's too early in the morning. Didn't get that one. No, either.
The Hammersmith City Line train to Hammersmith. The next station is Moorgate. The next station is Moorgate. Change for the Northern Line.
Is it bus?
It is
We
the
have to
line
say
and National Rail
no, retake. What's the time right now? It's almost 6 o'clock. It's 10 to 6. We left at 5.
This is Moorgate.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
God, how did you get there? Jubbly jubbly. Let's go. Yeah. We're under 10 minutes. It's too early for this. Where is 9? Oh, it's there in the corner. That little snow.
But it's alright. At least it's going. Like, you're not waiting in a queue with it.
That's true.
Like you're just going up the escalator. Or traveling. Mom's all by herself.
Mom's by herself?
Yeah, she's by herself. And Dad and Chana's down there. Separated.
Where's Shana and Dad? Oh, there they are.
How do moms separate from mom? That's how you know. Nah, you know, Sev's alright.
Mummy.
Sev's alright. She always does this. She didn't come with us. She didn't come with them. That's fine. She's fine. Where's she gonna go? She's gonna come up there.
Okay, wait for her. How did she get separated? You need to figure out which way to go from that coach station. Left or right? Oh, no. Okay. Back myself. Mummy!
അതിനോട് പറയില്ല എങ്ങളോട് പറയാം
Okay, Shani, today. Okay. See you in Brussels.